everyone, welcome to another episode of Model Car Memories. Today I'm going to do a 1963, it says 1963 customizing kit, and it's the Chevrolet Impala Super Sport Convertible. And then on the side here, it shows all the different options, everything that you can add to it there. Then that's one thing here I haven't seen on a box before. Is meet AMT's new customizing team: George Barris, Alexander Brothers, Gene Winfield, Bill Cushenberry. So, and then a little advertisement here to use AMT lacquer. I do have a can of AMT lacquer around here somewhere, at least one or two cans of it here. So let's get into it. I've already looked at this once before, but I'm just reshooting the video. So had some technical difficulties on the first one. So got the body here, and my stepdad had already started a little bit of work on this. So you can see the chassis, he's already started painting the chassis. The red exhaust on here, as we see on all of them. So set that aside. And then the sun visors are molded into it, as well as the windshield wipers. So this takes 4 screws to hold it in place. The top, one thing I noticed on it actually fits down underneath here. It doesn't sit on top of it. I've seen some other models around here where the convertible top just sits on top of it, but this one actually goes in there, makes a cleaner finish around there. Okay, and then we got one of the bucket seats here. Then the inside here. So you got the little SS emblem there. You just barely see it. And the door panels. Then the little emblem right back there on the back in between. That would have been, I think that would have been chrome on those. I've seen some at the car shows. All right, got instructions on how to apply the white walls. I think that's a decal. All right, got a stock car grille, 1 disc brakes. All the wheels are gone, the chrome wheels. It's a race car dash, rear bumper there with the 63 tag on the back of it. Here's an interesting piece. Got a record player for it. I have seen a record player in a car at a couple car shows. All right, we got the hood. Now this one, like I said, I've been through this before. The wheels were stuck to a lot of things, so I've got a donut on the underside of the hood there. So if I put this together, it probably wouldn't. So there's another bucket seat. Okay, you got the firewall here. The firewall looks pretty detailed on it as well. Looks like one of the roll bars. The steering wheel. Let's see here. Let's see. There's a T. Something on it there. Is that a carburetor? It might be a carburetor. A couple other miscellaneous parts. The instruction sheet is missing on this. I did look through my pile of instruction sheets and did not find the one for the 63. I found a couple of them of the 61. So, all right, there's a dash and the stock steering wheel on it there. There's another custom, I think it's a custom for the rear. No, custom for the front, excuse me, that's a grill there. So and there's the decals for the white walls. There. So both rings and center section from the backing. Do not stretch the rings. Center on the tire, press the desired ring firmly in place. Press the center section through the tire and then remove the extra ring. So you get a choice of 2 different, a skinny one and then a fat one there. Okay, that looks like a custom front or rear bumper there, rear valance. And then we got the headlights and a clear part for the grill. Oh, got a little header there. It's kind of stuck in it there. All right, I'm gonna dump the rest of this out because it's all not on a T. Like I said, I've already been through this kit. Put these in here because there was a lot of them were stuck together, as I find a lot of these kits. Okay, just kind of dig through here. Yep, that one's been messed up. Look at the custom bucket seats. They fold down. How many of y'all seen those? So then you got your boot if you want to go with the top down. This is a custom bumper here. I think that's for the front. I tried to fit that earlier. All right, there's the stock grill, and then we got the. Let me try this here. Had a little damage to it because it was stuck to the tire. Just wondering how much of it would show. Oh, look at there. It wouldn't. So if you put it together, just have a little bit, just barely showing through there. So this front glass is still usable. Polish it up a little bit. There's another custom part. It's part of the engine. There's your alternator there, I think. Really deep oil pan here. Like I said, I don't see an engine block with this one. Of course, I've got spare engine blocks if I was ever to want to put this one together. There's a TV as well. It's gotten messed up from the tires. Then all the various different types of tail lights that you can use. And there's a couple other stock wheels here, some Steelies. Got 2 of those. I found this curious. It's a little rabbit. So I don't know the significance of the rabbit. If somebody knows the significance of the rabbit, let me know. Post it in the comments. And then you got some valve covers, really big valve covers. Let's see if I can see what they say on there. Don't think I have my magnifying glass up here. Can't tell. There's a name on there, but I can't tell what it is. Oh yeah, Wyand. There it is. So then fan shroud and all that. So there you have it. There's part of the trophy there, so you can build a trophy. The 1963 Impala SS convertible 3-in-1 custom kit. Thanks for watching. If you have any insights or anything like that on the kit, something you've seen before, if you've built this kit, please put it down in the comments. Let me know about it. But thanks for watching. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe to it. Help me out here. And also check out the Instagram page. So I post a lot of pictures on the Instagram page. Not too many pictures in the community here on YouTube, but also check out the Instagram page. Thanks again.